Here are some highlights of the November issue of Municipal Sewer and Water magazine. With population growth surging and infrastructure aging fast, the city of Chino is proving what proactive planning looks like. Zero SSOs, data-driven asset management, and a public works team built for the future. When structural failure, saltwater intrusion, or corroded manholes stop others in their tracks, East Coast infrastructure steps in. With advanced coatings, Hughes inspection tools, and a field-tested crew, they turn high-risk jobs into lasting wins for municipalities. We are deeply saddened to announce that Cole Publishing co-founder Bob Kendall passed away on October 4th at age 70. A visionary behind Pumper Magazine and The Wet Show, Kendall helped build the modern wastewater industry as we know it and created a community where none existed. Thanks for everything, Bob. We will miss you. Dallas Water Utilities is turning student art into a conversation about conservation, creativity, and the future of water. What if you could test a water main against a 1,000-year storm or a major quake before it ever fails? That's exactly what California's new Smart Infrastructure Center is making possible. Water and wastewater crews face a constant battle against leaks, clogs, and aging pipes. Municipal Innovations spotlights the gear and tech that make those high-pressure, high-stakes jobs faster, safer, and more efficient. Sprains, fractures, and worse, fall hazards in sewer work are real. Learn the strategies that keep crews safe and compliant on the job. High-pressure blasters clear the lines, but what's lurking beneath? These tools help crews locate, map, and fix issues faster than ever. Every line tells a story, and the right tech makes sure you catch it. Discover how crews are pinpointing leaks, reducing rework, and working smarter underground. Tritech's T80 small pipe cutter packs 4 times the torque of an air router, built to muscle through failed liners and tough reinstatements others can't touch. All this and more is in the latest issue, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading MSW. See you next month.